All right. We got via 73 coming down the line with cab car 2331 leading. Cab car 2331 leading and pushing it SCV 42 engine 2230 that is via 73 originates from the Union Station in Toronto, Ontario, heads west to the Windsor, Ontario station where it terminates. All on this Wednesday. Wednesday, November 26th, 2025, Denton's Railfanning 2003 on YouTube. Let's see if we can get more trains here today. Roll it. On to the next scene. Roll it. All right, we got via 76 coming down the line with a charger set. With another charger set. SCV 42 engine 2206 and cab car 2305. There's something special on CN A434. A434 is gonna have the 3069 Wisconsin Central Heritage unit leading. So that'll be a train I catch today. When it departs London. It's working right now, but I'll be catching it departing soon. Yeah. So for 434 will be the next train. Roll it. We got CN A434 right here. We got A434 right here with 3069 with 3069 3069 Wisconsin Central Heritage Unit and CN 34 and CN 34, 34, 15 trilling. Wisconsin Central, Wisconsin Central, Wisconsin Central Heritage, Wisconsin Central Heritage Unit, alright. This train must be departing or something. I think it is. Now we got the frames. This is a short one. There's the end of A4 34. This train originates from here at London East Yard, heads east to the Macmillan Yard in Toronto, Ontario, where it terminates. That's my first time seeing the 3069 Wisconsin Central Heritage Unit lead a trade. Yeah. But it's off to Toronto now. We got a CN eastbound coming. Here comes 32, 40, 32, 47 at 26, 84. Symbol on this train is a late CN said 148. The Z1148 originates from the Markham Yard in Homewood, Illinois, heads east to the intermodal terminal in Brampton, Ontario, where it terminates. Yeah, this is a Z1148. Rushing down a line. It's almost dark out, so this will be my my absolute model train. But it's freaking cold out here, and it's freaking windy. This feels like winter weather. Sorry, I apologize for the shaking. I'm just cold. There's the end of that late CN Z148. Off it goes to Brampton Intermodal Terminal. Here comes L583. We got L583 returning to London with CN 4716 BNSF 2968 and 4902. This train came back from servicing a few industries, and now it's coming back into the yard. It's done servicing a few industries, and now it's ready to come back. There's the end of L583. Off it goes into the yard.